Nagging. Nagging means to find fault in a person or scold or complain without end. It is a dreadful habit and can lead to people being fed up with you and leaving you alone. If you nag someone, then it means that you keep on reminding them of some complaint you have every few minutes. People do not like that. If you have something to say, then say it once. People will listen and remember what you said. If you keep on pestering them and reminding them over and over, then they will become irritated. If you are in difficulty, don't complain to others, don't ask them to help you, ask Allah for His help. When Prophet Yusuf, peace be on him, was thrown in the well by his brothers, his father was struck with grief. He did not sit there and moan. He took his grief and his complaint directly to the only one who could help him, Allah. Complaining and nagging can make the people around you miserable, but it will also not get you anywhere. If you are constantly complaining, you are taking away your own chance to be happy, since you are always thinking of your misfortunes. Therefore, you complaining can only create an unhappy and glum atmosphere.